Done. Okay, done now. Okay. So can I erase this diagram, guys? Okay. Now observe. Now observe. Now observe. Now observe. So guys, tell me how many access specifiers we have? How many access specifiers we have, guys? Tell me. 4. 4 access specifiers we have. There are 4 access specifiers we have. Clear? There are 4 access specifiers we have. First one is private. Second one is default. Third one is protected. And the fourth one is public. Fourth one is public. Clear? Till now, do you know, right? Till this part, you know. Till this part, you know. Okay. So guys, in interview, if anyone asks you how many access specifiers we have, you have to speak in this order only. Why and all, I'll tell you now. You have to speak in this order only. You have to speak in this order only. No, do not use any kind of other orders. Okay? Why and all, I'll show you. At the time only you'll come to know. Okay? At the time only you will come to know. Okay? So first one is how many access specifiers? 4. Our first one is private. Hey, I'll show you why I am saying. You can start with public also, either top to bottom or bottom to top. Okay. Private, default, protected, and last one is public. Last one is public. So guys, can you tell me what is the role of public? Public means, see, relate with real world. Public means anyone can use. Public means anyone can use. Yes or no? Yes, public means anyone can use. Okay. Protected means very few people can use. Protected means very few people can use. Yes or no? Guys, public means anyone can access. Protected means very few people can use. Like that, if we reach to private. Like that, if we reach to private, our security will be high or not? Like that, if we reach to private, our security will be high or not? So can we say, if we go in this direction, if I go in this direction, can I say, access level is decreasing and security level is increasing. Can I say like that? Access level is decreasing, access level is decreasing, and security level is increasing. Security level is increasing. Now, same thing if you see from top to bottom. Same thing if you see from top to bottom. Can you say access level is increasing and security level is decreasing? Can I say super? Till now, do you understood? Till now, do you understood, guys? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt till now? Okay. Then copy this diagram. Copy this diagram. First. Hey, I'll show you. First, you should be familiar with. Hey, what happened? 1 minute. What is happening? Guys, now observe. We have seen the first diagram. Where we have created class, where we have created packages inside a project. Again, I will draw that diagram. Why I will draw that diagram, will come to know. Don't worry. Okay. Observe here. Okay. Now you know that a project consists in number of packages and a package consists in number of classes. The package consists in number of classes. Okay. If I create, and this is my package. This is my package 1. This is my package 2. Clear? Now I will create a class. Only one class I will create. Inside that package. This is my. I'll write in another ink. Wait. This diagram is very important. It's my class. So what is my first access specifier? My first access specifier is private. Super. Private. Okay. Now guys, listen to me very carefully. Whenever we are declaring anything as private, whenever we are declaring any class member, you know how many class members we have? Do you know how many class members we have? First of all, tell me. 10 class members. Do you know how many class members? That is Subramaniam. That is data type. That is not class members. First of all, listen to me. There are only 4 class members. Like this, like access specifiers, there are only 4 class members. Yes, Sriram, not object. Variable, methods, blocks and constructors. variables, methods, blocks, and constructors. These four are our class member. Variable, methods, blocks, and constructors. These four are our class members. Okay. That's what I am saying. Whenever we are declaring anything, or whenever we are declaring our any class member as private, whenever we are declaring any class member as private, what will happen? I'll show you now. Wait. I'll show you neatly. Okay. Okay. These two are my class. This is my C1, this is my C2. Here, if I declare anything as private, I am writing PVT means private. Okay. Guys, observe. This class member which are present in class 2 cannot be accessed any other classes. Cannot be accessed any other classes, whether it is in a same package, whether it is in a different package. Whether it is in a same package, whether it is in a different package. It cannot be accessed in any other classes. Clear? It's like if I draw the diagram properly, here also it cannot be possible. Here also it cannot be possible. So I'll write like this. It can be accessed if we declare any class member as private. Don't write anything. I'll give you time. Don't worry. I will give you time. If we declare any class member as private, we can't access in any other classes or packages. Clear? Clear or not? Clear or not, guys? I want reply from everyone. You only can see your reply on screen. Okay, one more time. Super, I'll tell you. See, this access specifier, this private access specifier I am declaring inside class 2. This private access specifier I am declaring inside class 2. Wherever we are declaring these private access specifiers, it can be accessed only in that particular class. It cannot be accessed in any other classes or any other packages. It cannot be accessed in any other classes or any other packages. Clear? Clear now? A property, did I say property? I said class members. Okay, so next one is after private, which one is our next? After private, which one is next? After private, which one is next? After private, next one is our default. After private, next one is our default. Next one is our default. Good, very good. Always remember one thing, guys. For default, a little bit change. For default, there is a little bit change. Whenever we are declaring any class member with default, Whenever we are declaring any class member with default, okay, we can access in other classes of the same package. We can access other classes of the same package, but we cannot access in other classes of other packages. We cannot access in other classes of other packages. It means this one we can do, because class 1 and class 2, both are in the same package. Yes or no? Because class 1 and class 2 both are present in package 1. Yes or no? Both are present in pack 1. But in pack 3 is in pack 2. Can you tell me? Is pack 3 inside pack 2? No, right? No, right? So this portion, it cannot be accessed. This part, it cannot be accessed. Clear? Clear? Yes, two private, two different classes. As per your requirement, you can use. As per your requirement, you can use. And how you can access in other classes, you will see that later. Okay. But for now, the basic thing is, for this access specifiers, I am telling you. Okay. The exception cases you will see later. First understand how it is happening. Clear? Is it clear, guys? Okay. So I'll write here. Okay, wait. Okay. If we declare any class member as default, it can be accessed in other class of the same package, but can't be accessed in other packages. Clear? Till now, do you understood, guys? Okay. First you copy these two, then I'll show you other two. Okay? Okay. One note point is there. Wait. One note point is there. The note point is. If we will not provide default, it will be provided by compiler. This is the note point. This is the note point. 1 minute. I have done some mistake here. If we will not provide. Okay. Now we can copy. See, whatever the things we are discussing, one thing we will see in program. So don't worry about it. First you understand these things. First you understand the flow. Okay. Now I'll open another paint page. This page is Congested. Okay. I will create 2 packages only, not more than 2. Now you have clarity, you will come to know. Okay. This is my pack 1. Pack 1 means package 1. Okay. Pack 1. See, all this drama we are doing now to crack 2 interview questions. All this drama we are doing to crack 2 interview questions. There is kind of diagrams and all I am showing you because to crack 2 interview questions. I will tell you. I will tell you which interview question. Okay. Now, this is my C1 means class 1. This is my class 2. In pack 1, this is my class 1. In pack 1, this is my class 2. Guys, what is my third one? Third access specifier is what? Tell me. Super. Third one is protected. Third one is protected. Clear? Okay, now see, observe. In private, we have seen that it can be accessed only in that class. It cannot be accessed in other class. In case of default, we have seen that. It can be accessed in that particular class and in other classes of the same package. But it cannot be accessed in other packages. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Reply, guys. Yes or no? Okay. Now, in case of protected, guys, it can be accessed in other classes of the same package. It can be accessed other classes of the same package as well as other packages of other classes also. Other packages of other classes also it can be accessed. Other packages of other classes also it can be accessed. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? But tell me guys, one question is not coming in your mind. Sir. This package 1 is not inside package 2. This package 1 is not inside package 2. Then what is the relationship? Yes or no? Super, Lakshmi Narayana. Whenever we want to access in other packages, our first condition is we have to perform import. And we have to build a relationship. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, guys? 2 things required. One is import, another one is extends, or you can say inheritance. Clear, guys? Okay, let me write here. If we declare any class member as protected, it can be accessed in other classes of the same package as well as in other packages also, as well as in other packages also. For that, import and extends is mandatory. For that, import and extends is mandatory. Clear? Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Any doubt on this? Any doubt on this, guys? On this protected access specifier? No. No. You have to perform inheritance also. You have to perform inheritance also. Okay, again I'll repeat. No problem. Again I'll repeat. First of all, guys, tell me, this class where I am declaring this protected access specifier, this class where I am declaring this protected access specifier, this class is present in another package. This class is present in another package. This pack 2 is not present inside pack 1. This pack 2 is not present inside pack 1. Pack 2 is different, pack 1 is different. But whenever we are declaring protected access specifier, like default, it can access in other classes of the same package. It can be accessed in other classes of the same package. Clear? Can be accessed in other classes of the same package. Clear? And it can be accessed. It can be accessed. It can be accessed in other packages also. It can be accessed in other packages also. Whenever I am acquiring this property of class 1 from pack 2, I have to import the entire pack 2 inside pack 1. Means I have to build a relationship between pack 1 and pack 2. If I will not build a relationship, in this package protected will work separately. In this package protected will work separately. Clear? There will be no code reusability. There will be no code reusability. Clear now why we have to perform inheritance? Package. We use extends in a same package. Whenever we are going in another package, at that time we have to import. We have to use import statement. Don't worry, we'll see in program. Okay. Guys, understood or not, guys? Pack 2 to direct access. Shiva, I didn't get you a question only. Guys, understood or not? Copy this first. Copy this first. Copy this first. Can be accessed everywhere in that project. If we declare anything as public, first listen. If we declare anything as public, it can be accessed everywhere. It can be accessed everywhere in that project. Clear? Clear? If we declare anything or any class member as public, it can be accessed everywhere in the project. Clear? Clear, guys? For public, now I will show you the programs on this. Whatever discussions we have done till now, everything will show in program. Okay. Okay. Done, guys. This part done. Okay, copy it first. Then I'll start. Encapsulation will start. At that time, we'll come to know. Programs. Now I'll write the programs. Let me open my Eclipse. Is my Eclipse screen visible, guys? Is my Eclipse screen visible, guys? Okay, I'll create two packages first. See, package 1. Another package I'll create. No class. I have to create another package. That will be package 2. Package 2. Okay. In that package 1, I'll create a class like program 1. Okay. Program 1. Observe. First, I will write private static void M1. Or directly I can write private void M1. No need to write static. Private void M1. Okay. System.out.println. M1 is running. Now, I will write only void M2. I want my compiler to give default. Okay. Default, here I'll write private is running. Here I'll write default is running. Now, protected void M3. Protected void M3. Protected is running. Now, public void M4. Public void M4. Guys, tell me these methods are static methods or non-static methods? These methods are static methods or non-static methods? Okay, super. Okay, now these are the non-static methods. So I have to create what? Now main method I'll create. I have to create what? Super object. Program 1. P1 equals to new of program 1. Here I'll call P1 dot. Can you see all the 4 methods are there? Can you see all the 4 methods are there? Can you see all the 4 methods are there? See, this is the power of Eclipse. This is the power of Eclipse. What this notification is showing? This notification is showing that M1, the method name is M1. Then void, the return type is void. M1, method name is M1, return type is void. After that hyphen program 1. And this method is present in program 1. This is the syntax. This is what it is showing to us. Clear? As a developer, you should know these things. P1.M3, P1.M4. That's why I am saying every time that install Eclipse. In real time, you have to use Eclipse only. Okay? Your Eclipse should be like your wife. Okay. Now I'll execute. Can you see? First normal one program I have written. After that I'll show you the access. Okay? Okay guys, copy this program first. Copy this program first, guys. I guess this is the first time you are writing a program with private and protected also. Copy this. You will write. Whatever the code you will write, you have to write according to your requirement. You have to write according to your requirement. You can't write a single line of code. You can't write a single line of code by your own. Whatever the requirement is, you have to write like that. Don't worry, once you will get job, you will come to know all these things. Okay, so my first point already cleared. Now the second, I have to create another class or not, guys? Tell me. I have to create another class. Program 2. Program 2. Okay. See guys, from here program 1. From program 1 I will remove the main method. From program 1 I will remove this main method part. Okay. Now in my program 1, only my non-static access specifier methods are present. In my program 1, only non-static access specifier methods are present. Now I have to access this method in another class. I have to access these methods in another class. How I will do that? How I will do that? Okay. Here I will not do anything. I will just create main method. I will just create main method. Already you have done this program before so many times. Whatever the code you have written, you have to execute from main class. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? But whatever the things you have done, based on only public access specifier. Yes or no? Okay, now see, here I will create the main method. Inside that I will create object. Can you tell me I will create object of which class? Tell me, program 1 or program 2? Tell me guys. Super. Because here I am not performing inheritance. If I perform inheritance, at that time you have to create object of program 2. Single level inheritance. Because 2 classes are there. Yes or no? Here I am not performing inheritance. Here I am just accessing my program 1 part in program 2. So I will create object of program 1. P1 equals to new of program 1. Okay, now see, P1 dot. How many methods it is showing? Can you see here? How many methods it is showing? M2, M3 and M4. M2, M3 and M4. Why not M1? Because it is private. Already we have seen in the diagram that private can be accessed only in the particular area where it is declared. Yes or no? See, P1.M3, P1.M4. Default is running. Hey, import not required here. These are the same package. In the same package we are using. So default not required here. Default is not default. Not I am saying default. Import is not required here. Import is required whenever we will go in. Whenever we will perform anything in multiple packages. At that time only import is required. At that time only import is required. So access P1 method. M1, you can say M1. M1 we cannot access here. M1 we cannot access because see, this is the power of Eclipse. It will automatically show you which can be accessed and which cannot be accessed. If I access M1, error is coming. Error is coming. What is error is showing? Is error is showing that the method M1 from the type program1 is not visible. Means that is private. For that privacy, it is not visible. Clear? Clear? Okay. Then your constructor will be private. If you use private constructor, when you use, you try to use. What will happen, you only come to know. See, all the class members can be used. You can use everything on all the class members. That's what I said. That there are 4 class members. That's what I said. There are 4 class members. Methods, blocks, variables, and constructors. Copy this code, guys. Copy this code. 2 codes. Then you have to copy 2 parts. Because from last program I have removed main method. Because from last program I have removed main method. Copy. See, as much as you write, it will be a good practice for you only. We have checked everything in a single package. We have checked the access level in the single package. Now we have to check the access level in multiple packages. Now I will create class. In my package 2. I'll right click on package 2, go to new class. Program 3. If I take program 3, what will happen? Guys, okay, no problem. First, I will declare main method. Guys, now I have to create object of which class? I have to create object of program1 class. But the program1 class is present in package 2 or package 1? The program1 class is present in package 2 or package 1. Guys, see the power of Eclipse. If you forget to provide import statement, what will happen? If I write program1 p1 equals to new of program1. Am I getting error or not? See guys, I will not do anything. I will just move my cursor to this error. Can you see? Import program1 package 1. Can you see import program1 package 1? Why this many things are coming? Why Eclipse is showing this many things? Because in all the packages, my program1 is present. In all the packages, my program1 is present. I have used program1 many times. Ankit, now your doubt is cleared or not? See, clear or not? Now I have to perform extends also. extends program 1. Extends program 1. Clear? Clear or not? Clear or not? Now tell me. I have imported package 1 to package 2. I have imported package 1 to package 2. Yes or no? I have imported package 1 inside package 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. And I have performed inheritance also. I have performed inheritance also. I have performed inheritance also. Now, is there any need to create program 1 object? I can create program 3, no? I can create program 3, no? Because already I have acquired all the properties present in my parent. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, I will call this method P2 dot, can you see M3 and M4? M3 and M4 only it is visible. M3 and M4 only it is visible. Can you see only M3 and M4? M1, M2 is gone. Two conditions you have to satisfy, Rakesh. One is extends, another one is inheritance, another one is import. One is extends, another one is import. First statement, import will import all the classes in the package 2. And extends will build the relationship in between the classes. These two you have to remember. First one is M3, second one is M4. Now see, protected is running. M1, M2 cannot be accessed, Sai Kumar. Already I have shown in the diagram. The default can be accessed only the classes in the same package. And private can be accessed only in the particular class where it is declared. If you see the diagram, you will get clarity. Guys, clear guys, this part? Do you understood, guys? Copy this first. Neatly explain the program, why we are using import and why we are using extends. Right? Okay. Keshav. Observe here. This is my package 2 or not? This is my package 2 or not? Okay, I'll explain. This is my package 2 or not? See, once I are present in my package 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is the general English of import? I am importing the package 1. I am importing the package 1 inside package 2. I am importing package 1 inside package 2. You can do. Method overriding, you can do. So I am importing package 1 in package 2. Clear? Now what is happening? See, if I not write program 1 also, if I give star also, it means everything is imported in my package 2. Everything which are present in package 1 is everything imported to package 2. Do you know that? Do you remember about star? Select star from EMP. SQL, do you remember or not? SQL, do you remember or not? Star means what? Everything. Yes or no? Same thing. Diganta, I don't know what you are saying no every time. I guess you don't know what is yes only. Every time you are saying no. Okay, no problem. Don't know. You don't know about SQL, no problem. You don't know about SQL, no problem. Star means everything. I am importing everything which is present in my package 1. I am importing everything which is present in my package 1. Importing everything which is present in my package 1 to package 2. Now I am building the relationship in between program 3 and program 1. Single level inheritance. Program 3 in program 1. I am building a relationship between two classes. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now after extending all the property which are present in program 1, now present in program 3. And I am creating object of program 3 and call the methods. That's it. Default and private cannot be accessed. Default and private cannot be accessed. Only protected and public can be accessed. That's why it is showing. That's it. If you see the output, you'll come to know. Drama we have done to crack 2 questions. That is. Can you able to write these 2 questions? Are you able to write? Huh? Or I have to give the answer? Or I have to give the answer? Or I have to give the... okay, I will give. I know you guys will not practice only. Don't worry, I will only give. Default. This is my first question is default and protected. What is the point? Can you tell me? First point is, if we declare any class member as default, it can be accessed in all the classes in the same, all the classes of the same package. Okay, and for protected, if we declare any class member as protected, it can be accessed in all the classes of the same package as well as in other classes of other packages also. For that, import and extends is mandatory. Import and extend is mandatory. Same point I'll copy, protected. This is my private, this is my protected. If we declare any class member as private, it can be accessed only in that particular class where it is declared. Where it is declared. Where it is declared. Clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Program I'll show again, don't worry. Is it clear, guys? Okay, guys. Okay. So today, do you understand today's class, guys? Take photo, guys. Take photo, guys. Do you understand today's class? Okay, I'll show the program again. Guys, do you understand today's class? Once turn on camera. Why camera you want? Take photo, take photo. Want to see you, sir. You come to institute, I'll visible here only. I'll be here only. Sandhya, take photo. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. I don't know again when we will meet. Bye, guys. Best of luck. Bye, guys.